SitePro is a data-driven company exploring advanced and unconditional ways to automate and power growth in the oil and gas industry. To keep up with rapid growth, SitePro migrated from on-premises databases to Azure database services, which are fully managed and provide enterprise-grade built-in high availability. That means they don't need to worry about spending time and money updating databases to the latest version. Microsoft automatically provides access to the latest innovations. Customers can also scale quickly and reach global distribution. Azure Cosmos DB allows SitePro to manage high volumes of unstructured data into a multi-model database and use the change feed feature to drive business decisions through advanced analytics. Azure SQL Database enables SitePro to quickly and elastically spin up databases to meet customer demands. With the help of Azure, the time to complete this process significantly dropped from a few weeks to just a few minutes, an achievement made possible through the cloud.